For today's manufacturers or distribution centers, changes happen in real time. Relying on handwritten labels and paperwork to manage your resources and collect data in this day and age is a recipe for disaster. The Endeavor Process Automation solution from Radley streamlines your data entry while automating your manufacturing and material handling transactions. Our real-time data collection is about more than just scanning barcodes. It's about equipping you with accurate and complete reporting so you can make informed decisions. Our configurable AIDC interface meets your specific needs, your industry, process, and unique workflows. You can capture data from your warehouse or shop floor and automatically send it to your ERP or other back-end system. Plus, you can consolidate multiple tasks into one simple workflow, all while reducing costs, errors, wasted time, and manual effort. And our multi-language, user-friendly interface is perfect for a diverse workforce. Put your data to work for you. Manage your inventory, track work in progress, verify shipments, and more. Stay ahead of the pack by using real-time data to anticipate issues before they arise, increase productivity, and eliminate errors. Contact a Radley specialist to figure out how to implement our AIDC solution for your business.